Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a clear workspace and lists. This reduces friction and keeps you focused. Sign into Microsoft to do with your Microsoft account so lists sync across devices. Once signed in, make a focus list and set default due dates and reminders to avoid micromanaging each task. Make sure to enable My Day and connect Outlook tasks if you use email. That way your inbox workflow becomes a prioritized, visible task stream rather than scattered notes. Next, you build structure. Tag, subdivide, and automate. Use color-coded lists and tags to group tasks by context, project, or priority so you can filter instantly. Add steps for multi-part tasks, attach files or links, and include estimated time to plan realistic days. Once done, set up recurring tasks and connect Power Automate templates to create tasks from emails or calendar events. This saves repeated manual entry and ensures consistency across. To finish, run a short daily review and close your loop. Use My Day to prioritize 3-5 tasks, mark completions, or move unfinished items forward. This habit turns planning into progress. Share lists with teammates and set edit permissions so collaboration stays tidy. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. Force a manual sync, confirm you're signed into the correct account, and if issues persist, clear the app cache or reauthorize the connection. Those steps resolve most sync and permission errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.